Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Around the same time, while the CBI gave its letter to the Registrar General of this court, a petition was filed before the Special Judge CBI AHD cases Patna on 3/1/2001, making a prayer to transfer the case records of the 52 cases to the Court of Special Judge CBI Ranchi stop. Before the Special Judge, 48 out of 51 accused filed separate petitions raising objections to the prayer made on behalf of the prosecution stop. The trial court heard the parties in RC number 20A/96, special case number 22/96 stop. It may be stated here that in special case number 22/96, the trial had started after framing of charges against the accused and 39 prosecution witnesses were already examined by that time stop. The trial court disposed of the petition filed by the prosecution by order dated 17/1/2001 stop. In paragraph 14 of the order, the trial court recorded its finding that instant proceeding does not fall into the category of proceeding relating to exclusively to the territory of state of Jharkhand stop. The document of prosecution itself to cut the root of the prayer of the prosecution stop. The prosecution has failed to make out a clear case to attract the word exclusively stop. Thus the prosecution has got no legs to stand upon stop. However, a dispute had arisen on the issue whether those cases stood transferred by virtue of section 89(1), and as any decision on that dispute could only be made by the High Court in terms of section 89(2) of the Act, the trial court also referred the issue in dispute to the High Court stop. This gave rise to the two criminal reference number 02/2001, which also came up before the full bench hearing the matter and joined the earlier reference made at the instance of the Standing Committee of the High Court stop. In these facts and circumstances, Mr. Jitendra Singh, counsel appearing for one of the accused, namely Dr. K. N. Prasad, sought to raise some preliminary objections stop. Mr. Singh submitted that this full bench should decline to answer the reference, or in any event it should answer the reference only in respect of special case number 22/96, in which the reference was made by the trial court stop. Learned counsel submitted that criminal reference number 01/2001 made at the instance of the Standing Committee of this court was no reference in the eyes of law, and the full bench was therefore obliged not to answer the reference stop. Learned counsel maintained that the only way a reference could come to this court under section 89(2) of the Act was on the basis of an order made by the trial court, before which alone a question could arise at the first instance stop. I am unable to accept the submission stop. There is no basis in law to hold that a reference under section 89(2) of the Act can be made in no other way but by an order passed by the trial court, and I have not the slightest doubt that the reference made on the basis of a resolution of the standing committee is a perfectly valid reference, and there is no reason for this court not to answer the reference. Stop. It is true that ordinarily a dispute arises between the parties in course of the proceeding before the trial court, and ordinarily a reference is made by an order passed by the trial court, but what might happen ordinarily cannot be held to be the only legal and valid course. Stop. Section 89 bracket 2 of the Act does not lay down any particular manner in which a reference is to be made. Stop. Hence, there was no legal bar precluding the standing committee from taking the decision that the issue in dispute should be decided by the judicial side of the court and making a reference accordingly. Full stop.